This could be one of the greatest wars ever. We have the Americans. Have Donald with the Americans. Now let's go over to the other side of the war. This could be a dangerous and very... We have Abdul from the terrorists. Oh, let's see. First shot. This could be very bloody. Oh, what happened? Oh my God, this could be a very, very bad wound.
Need bandages.